state of Kerala, but also a part of our college, which is celebrating 100 years at UC College. Welcome, sir.
Welcome Nani on this great event. So, respected principal, our super mega star Nani, and our director of Grace Academy, Vindhya Marin Varghese, the union members, my dear teachers and our students. So it is great privilege to welcome him. It is not an easy task to achieve a success in pan-India industry, film industry. Nani is actually a true inspiration for us.
Why don't we welcome sir to say a few words to his fans here? Are you ready? Yes. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. So, going on. Is it right? Bonara. I've been here since 2 days promoting Dasara, and I've been tired. I've been bored of interviews. This is the first time I'm also feeling energy. The moment I came inside, I was like, I wanted this. This is my energy drink. I'm now refreshed, recharged for the rest of the promotion. Thank you for your energy. And I miss this college days, but in my head, it's not too long ago, but when she was talking, when she said we grew up watching your films, I'm like suddenly feeling like seeing a river. But thank you so much. This feels very, very special. March 30th, my most special film Dasara is releasing, and to celebrate it, to have this opportunity to meet all of you is very, very special. Thank you so much, and all of you are going for the Malayalam version, right? Thursday morning show. Promise, hands up. So who all are going to come? Awesome. And the ones who are not sure, who can watch the Telugu version also. Okay? Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best. And the film is going to be mad, March 30th. It's a promise, you'll love the film. And thank you for inviting me here today, because I really needed this, needed to meet all of you and feel this positive energy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And today, our film, our cinema, RRR won Oscar, right? Shall we wish all of them congratulations? Can I record a selfie video so that I can send it to Rajmali? This will send it to RRR team, okay?
Bro.
Okay, stay silent. So nobody will know that all of you are here. So when I pick up the camera, then you can say congratulations, okay? Ready? Wishing team RRR. Perfect. I will be sending this to the team, and thank you so much. Today's celebration, we have to send Dhoom Dham Dostan there, okay? On March 30th, it's all Dhoom Dham Dostan. Thank you so much once again. Study well, but watch movies also. Don't miss out on the movies unless you are happy and in a good mood. Anything you read won't go into the head, so do both. Thank you so much. Thanks again. Post March 30th or for the next film, if I can get to celebrate with all of you again, I will come back. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Excellent. I have literal goosebumps watching the movie and the trailer. It's going to be a great experience. So, sir, we have a special session going on right now. Our second DC rep, Mohammed Naik, has generously contributed a clock to be permanently kept in UC College, and for that, it's a great achievement. So Nani sir, we request you to kindly inaugurate this gift to UC College. This is a clock model, and Nani sir will be inaugurating for all of you. Please give a huge round of applause. This is a generous contribution to our college. The first question, over to you, Hari.
ബ്രോ അവിടെ നിൽക്കോ അവിടെ നിൽക്കോ
Sir, I'm Hari. Being a movie aspirant, I would like to know if the ups and downs of your career, 15-year-old Tollywood career, has been a part of inspiration for you to crystallize Arjun of Jersey. That's one of my favorite movies, and that railway station scene. So, sir, your career, your inspiration for do that character, Arjun.
When all of you show so much love every time we put in a little effort, I think my inspiration comes from all of you. So there will, whichever industry, there will always be ups and downs. But if we love what we are doing, then the end result will be all up only. So I think my journey of ups and downs landed here only because I love my job. I love what I'm doing. So whatever you guys are doing, always love what you do. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, that's so sweet. Everyone is a little bit jealous, I think. It's okay. We all have a chance to interact with sir. So our next question, sir, we have from Anita Aji. She is second year and she's here ready with the next question.
Hi sir, very happy to meet you in real.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Sir, being a Malayali viewer of all your films, I would like to know that you're one of the famous films, Ega, commonly known to us as Icha, one of our favorite character of yours. So I would like to know how you look back to that daring, thrilling character of yours.
It is a very special film for me because it made me closer to all of you. Now, before that only Telugu audience knew me, before Icha. But after Icha, everywhere, everyone, all of you owned me as one of your own. So, most special film for me. I worked very less for that film compared to other films. I'm only there for 35-40 minutes in the film. And I only worked for 22 days or something. But even till today, for all this love, I think the beginning was that film. So, it's the most special film. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So do you remember that tune of that film? Ada, ada, ada.
Of course.
Could you please hum it for us?
Singing, I can't say. I'm not a very good singer. Sing for me, no? Who is a very good singer here in the college?
Everybody remember that tune? Ada, 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 ada.
I'm getting some Telugu lyrics.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. Very excited to have you here, sir. So yes, our final question is from Jeffy. She's from third year BA Economics. Over to you, Jeffy.
Hi sir, I'm so happy to meet you.
Okay, sir.
And the question is, I personally love your performance as Shyam Singha Roy. So, in that film, one plot happens in 1968 in Bengal and other happens in 2021 in Hyderabad. So the way these two were connected was amazing. So how did you feel like playing the two entirely different roles in different time periods?
I'm a big fan of reincarnation films, Karan Arjun and all that. I watched some amazing Magadira and all that. And I wanted to do a film which will be relatable in 2021. So it was extremely exciting because it's two different roles and one guy is a Bengali guy and one guy is a filmmaker. And it was challenging. The look, the get-up, everything is so different. But when it is when I know you will all love the film, then anything challenging is okay. I am ready to put in that effort. So like this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Who worked on the movie. Would you take one more question, sir? On Dashara? Yes. So we have a surprise question. Please go, sir.
Sir, I went for the song which is shoot on the quarries.
Sorry?
Quarry.
Worry, yeah.
So I was there for five days for the song from LNG Kochi.
Okay.
So I experienced the hot weather there on the quarry. So for those days, how did you manage those heat and whole crew? I know the actors are not only the suffering ones, more than that the technical side.
Correct.
The light units, because those godas and light on the heights and cinematographer. So as a whole of it is cinema, right? So what was the experience on that set?
It is a very difficult film to shoot because it's a coal mines backdrop. It's because of the heat continuously coming, and then there's dust. You can't even keep your eyes open, and you have to keep the eyes open. So technicians, artists, I think everybody worked too hard on the film. You'll understand when you watch the film on March 30th. But end of the day, when you all love the film, nothing else matters. We're ready to give them anything. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for these questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again, and I hope to see you, all of you, very, very soon. Until then, have fun, study well, and go crazy. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yes, Nani sir. Sir, before you take a seat, we have one small token of love from UC College to you. It's a small little gift. So please accept this on our behalf. So we will be presenting it to you shortly. I request all the dignitaries to please come forward to present the gift to Nani sir. It is a product of talent of UC College, and sir, we ask you to accept this gift. Isn't that wonderful? For this artist who has painted a wonderful picture of Nani sir. Thank you, sir. I request the dignitaries to please have a seat. Yes, we have one more wonderful gift for Nani sir. And another product of UC College talent. Everyone please give a huge round of applause for all these talented artists who have put in their hard work to present something for our special guests. Wow, look at that artwork. Wow, wonderful. We have a few more gifts, all from UC College students. So please have a few more. Come on, UC College! Did you have fun? Yes, we did. And we will now say goodbye to you. Okay?